back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to use Stoic app for daily reflection. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply go and tap open your Stoic. So once you open your Stoic, you need to start with an initial mood check to pause and notice your feelings. So you need to do a simple app check like your mood check-in and know how you're feeling currently. And now you need to engage with daily check-in prompts for morning or evening reflections. So you need to use the built-in AI features to unlock journaling prompts based on quotes or affirmation and review past entries in the history section for personalized insights and track patterns. So if you do your morning routine, like start the daily check in, reflect on a quote, or even start writing, you can simply know your reflection in the morning time. If you repeat this pattern in the evening as well, and you can simply compare between your morning and evening reflections, then you can use the Stoic app effectively for daily reflections. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.